Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are unboxing DJI Mic Mini. Let's go unbox this thing, shall we? So I'm gonna switch to my phone because I actually need my camera in order to use this product. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Alright, here we are. So I'm gonna be honest with you, I've already taken this outside of the box and taken the seal off. Anyway, let's get into it. User manual. I don't read those. Get out of here. Ah, wakes for iPhone. Made for iPhone. That's what I meant. My phone's 8%, so that's a thing. Okay, interesting pouch. The material. You know what? I like this material. It's nice. I feel like if I have really dry hands, even this material is not gonna bother me, so that's really good. All right, let's go. This is considered a pouch, right? It's like a small bag. I actually don't know. All right, so I guess let's start with this. I'm pretty sure this is just a charging cable and stuff. Okay, let's see. What do we got? We have two cables. Two cables. So we have audio cable, USB type A to USB type C twice. USB type C and 6-pin connection thing. Not sure what that's for. We'll find out. We have, oh, interesting. We have some sort of charger. I don't know why there's a tiny sticker with a QR code. Oh, okay. Well, that wasn't good. All right, let's leave that on there for now. Let's pretend that didn't happen. We have some muffler thingies, whatever they're called. And we have the actual receiver. Now, I'm pretty sure, yeah, here's the 6-pin thing. That is for this little guy. This way I can attach it to my phone. My phone's actually Lightning, not USB type C. We have the actual microphone itself. All right, let's go set this up. I'll see you guys in a sec. All right, so you may remember this from the last unboxing video. Looks beautiful. Actually, color matches really well. So I'm definitely happy with that. We have this red thing. There we go, take that out. Let's take that. Okay, Bluetooth headphones microphone connected. Perfect. Actually, you might not have been able to read that. But that means this microphone, actually let me put this thing on here. So now theoretically speaking, oh my gosh, I can see the hold on, visual meter on my screen that would show up. That would show me exactly how loud my voice is. And this is gonna make the quality of my voice a lot better. I'm gonna film the next shot with this current setup right here. So I'm gonna go back to the camera. All right, so as you can see, I'm currently using, well, you can't actually see it and I'm using it, but I am using it, trust me. Yeah, right now, I'm not really hearing anything. It's pretty quiet right now. But usually there's a car driving through the street and it kind of makes a bit of noise, which I really hate. I think even with a car driving through the street, I think it will actually be doing pretty good. Anyway, future me, put down the number on screen, how much I would rate this. Let me know what you liked about this video, what you didn't like about this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.